Now I'm going to show you how to connect to my rotary laser via Bluetooth. There are two ways to do it. I'm going to show you the easier way first, which is connecting directly to the laser, which will be about a 200-foot working range. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to power on the rotary laser here, wait for it to start spinning freely, and then I'm going to select my Bluetooth. Once that's selected, I can go ahead into my app and select rotary laser, and the PRL will pop up right away. Once I'm connected, I've got all of my controls here. So I've got all my base controls here, my normal mode. I can put it in slope hold mode. I can do my dial and slope. And then I can also toggle my height of instrument alert. That way if the table's ever jostled or my tripod tilts, it'll alert me and reset the laser. Now, you'll see that the height of instrument alert came on automatically. After about 10 seconds of the laser running freely, that will automatically pop up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back into normal mode, and we're gonna hit this up arrow here. Now, what you'll see here are all of my scan angles, also all my RPM controls. Very easy to access, and I have full control right here. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and put this at a 90-degree angle, I can hit 90, and you'll notice that it's facing the camera now, or you won't notice because you can't see it, but I can use these arrows here, and I can go ahead and rotate that until it's on my back wall. Now I can clearly see it and it's pointed in the direction that I want it to be in. I can also go back to a single point if I wanted to, so I'll point in one direction and I'll rotate until it gets to the correct spot. Or I can go ahead and put that back into a 90 and I'll go ahead and put that back on the back wall. Go one more. There we go.